The word hand is a very common and useful noun in English. It refers to the part of the body at the end of the arm, but it also appears in many other expressions and compound words. In this video, we'll explore several useful words and phrases that include hand. To give a hand, to help someone. Can you give me a hand with these boxes? To lend a hand, to help someone, especially with work. She lent me a hand when I was moving out. Very similar to give a hand, but perhaps a bit more formal. In hand, under control or being dealt with. The situation is now in hand. Común en contexto formal o de control de situaciones. Significa bajo control. Su segundo significado lo usamos para decir que algo está en curso, en proceso, o que lo tenemos entre manos. We have several projects in hand. To hand, near or available. I always keep a pen to hand. Significa tener algo al alcance, tener algo disponible para poder usarlo, tener algo a mano. Hand in. To submit something officially. You need to hand in your homework by Friday.
Significa entregar algo, normalmente tareas o documentos.
Hand out. To distribute something to many people. They handed out leaflets on the street. Hand over. To give control or responsibility to someone else. The suspect was handed over to the police. Significa entregar algo, especialmente con cierta formalidad o autoridad. Muy usada, sobre todo en contextos oficiales. Handbag. A small bag carried by women for personal items. She always carries her phone in her handbag. Handbag is more British. Purse is more common in the US. Handcuffs. Metal restraints used by police on the wrists. The police put the suspect in handcuffs. Informally, handcuffs are often called cuffs. Handful, a small amount or number. He grabbed a handful of nuts. A handful of, a small amount that fits in your hand. For the paella, add a handful of rice per person. En sentido figurado, significa una persona difícil de controlar o que requiere mucha atención. Se usa mucho con niños, mascotas, o personas muy inquietas. That kid is a real handful. The puppy is a handful. Handlebar. The steering bar of a bicycle or motorcycle. He gripped the handlebar tightly as he turned the corner. Hand luggage. Bags you carry with you on a plane. You're allowed one piece of hand luggage on the flight. Carry-on is more commonly used in American English. Handmade. Made by hand rather than by machine. This bracelet is handmade by local artisans. Handout. A document given to students or an audience. The teacher gave us a handout with all the key points. Una ayuda económica, especialmente del gobierno. He refused to live on government handouts. Handrail. A rail you hold for support on stairs. Hold the handrail when going down the stairs. Handshake. A greeting where two people shake hands. They sealed the deal with a firm handshake. Handwriting. A person's style of writing by hand. Your handwriting is very neat. Handy, useful or convenient, especially when you need something quickly. Keep a flashlight handy in case the power goes out. A pocket knife is always handy. Keep your phone handy in case they call. Before we finish, since we've been talking so much about the hand, let's quickly look at how we describe people depending on which hand they use most often. Right-handed, someone who mainly uses their right hand. Most people are right-handed. Left-handed, someone who mainly uses their left hand. My brother is left-handed and always smudges his notes. Ambidextrous, someone who can use both hands equally well. She's ambidextrous and can write with both hands equally well. For centuries, being left-handed was considered unusual or even unlucky in many cultures. In fact, the Latin word sinister originally meant left. Today, however, many famous and successful people have been left-handed.
Some well-known left-handed people include Leonardo da Vinci, Albert Einstein, Barack Obama, and Bill Gates. This video is dedicated to my brother, who was left-handed, a wonderful person, and a truly talented artist. He filled the world around him with creativity and kindness. I will always carry his memory in my heart.
I hope you found these examples helpful. Keep an eye out for these words in real conversations and practice using them. See you in the next video.